Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and recorder so recording won't overload the system. Close all background apps and services. This frees RAM and CPU. Enable developer options and set limit background processes to 2 because Android will stop idle apps and reduce contention. Next, adjust your screen recorder settings. Choose 1080p at 30 FPS for stability or 60 FPS only if the device can handle it. Once done, reboot the device to clear cached memory before continuing. Now you optimize the recorder itself so frames are consistent. Switch to a hardware encoder. That offloads work to the GPU and reduces thermal throttling. Make sure your bitrate matches resolution. Aim for 8 to 12 Mbps at 1080p or 4 to 6 Mbps at 720p to avoid spikes. Disable overlays and notifications since pop-ups cause frame drops, and turn off adaptive brightness because sudden changes force the display to re-render. Once finished by validating performance and knowing how to recover if things go wrong. Run a system monitor while recording to watch CPU, GPU, and temperature. Thermal throttling explains sudden lag. If you still see stutters, lower resolution or FPS, close more apps, and install any available firmware or app updates because optimizations matter. As a final step, try a different recorder app or use an external capture card to isolate whether the phone or the recorder is the bottleneck. This single test will tell you where to focus next.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.